Are your weekly Microsoft Teams calls feeling a bit stale lately? Fear not, Microsoft is about to give your meetings a major audio upgrade with their latest edition of spatial audio. Spatial audio is quickly becoming a popular way to take the audio experience to new levels, creating a much more immersive feel and making it feel like you're in the heart of the action. Microsoft is calling this next generation spatialized audio, saying that it makes the meeting experience more natural, inclusive and focused for everyone. Although there's not many details on the exact specifications or approaches yet, Microsoft is promising that spatial audio will take Microsoft Teams to the next level. But the improvements don't end there. Microsoft recently revealed a Microsoft AI and machine learning model aimed at improving the audio quality on video calls. Trained on 30,000 hours of speech samples, Microsoft says the model can improve echo cancellation, better adjust audio in poor acoustic environments, and let everyone speak and listen at the same time without interruptions. It can even detect the difference between a speaker and a user's voice, with zero delay. Clearly, Microsoft is serious about making their video conferencing experience as great as it can be. With the addition of spatial audio and better audio quality overall, your Microsoft Teams meetings will be more exciting, interactive, and natural. No more stale meetings, it's time to take the audio quality to the next level.